Richmond Park. Escape to the great outdoors, in Richmond Park, with its wide open spaces, grasslands and deer herds, just a few miles away from central London. This magical space provides peace and tranquility for millions of visitors from London and all around the world, but it's a home for thousands of wildlife species. It is the largest of 8 royal parks in London, and is of national and international importance for wildlife conservation. Most famously, the park is home to over 600 red and fallow deers, which roam freely throughout the extensive grounds. If you find a spot where there are groups of them grazing together, they are a real sight to see. Cycling is a very popular activity in Richmond Park, and the size of the park means there's ample opportunity to get some exercise and see the main sights this way. Have tea on the terrace in Pembroke Lodge. Pembroke Lodge is worth a visit, especially if you need a rest from walking around the park. It's an attractive Georgian mansion, with 13 acres of manicured gardens, and a terrace offering excellent views. The butler's pantry serves tea, cake, sandwiches, as well as more substantial hot food. King Henry's Mound is one of London's most famous views. This steep mound, on the western edge of the park, was probably once a prehistoric burial ground. It's mostly known for its view of St. Paul's Cathedral, nearly 10 miles away from the park. It offers fabulous panoramic views of the Thames Valley to the west, and distant view of St. Paul's Cathedral to the east. Pen Ponds is composed of 2 lakes, together forming the largest water body in Richmond Park. Over the centuries, the lakes have provided habitat for a wide range of wildlife, from invertebrates like dragonfly nymphs, to fish, amphibians, and of course waterfowl. The ponds include 3 small islands, which are a favorite spot for nesting and roosting birds. Herons are amongst the most enchanting birds to spot in the royal parks. Whether standing still as a statue at the water's edge, silently waiting for a fish to swim by, or hunched, roosting in a tree, they are fascinating to watch. there are a number of refreshment points are located across the Richmond Park. The Roehampton Cafe, on the Putney and Roehampton sides of the park, Broomfield Hill and Pen Ponds car park also with a cafe and kiosk in it. Thank you for joining with us. See you with another exploration.